Hello guys, can you hear me well? So I just now checking the sound and starting the stream. Hello guys, can you hear me well? Cool. So now I'm, yeah, can you see me? Yeah, I think you can see me. Cool. So now I'm starting to demonstrate my screen. Yeah, let's start without demonstration. Now I will start just with the video. So thank you for coming, and it's like very I'm very worried because it's my first stream, and this is in English. I know that most of the people who now watching this stream, they're Russians, but I want to focus to English market and build multinational no-code community. That's why I need make it in English. Sorry for all of who not the best in English, but maybe it will motivate you to improve your English. But by the way, my English not so well too, so I'm sorry about that, and maybe I will make some mistakes. But it will motivate me improve my English too. So I promise that in the next streams I will do streams every week, and I promise that in next streams my English will be improving. So in this stream we will explore news from no-code field. So first, like news of the week. What do I mean? So it can be startups, no-code tools which raised investments, just new published no-code tools. But yeah, about no-code tools, we will explore new no-code tools and together go and explore together do they good or not, and for which purposes we can use these new no-code tools. So also I want to share my experience as a no-code founder. So I have no-code agency, High No-Code. We build different types of products, and I'm happy to share our potential requests. So I will share with you about our calls. So what people need now. So what they with which products and ideas they come to us, to our agency. It will help you to understand which platforms are more popular now for the people, and which platforms people need now. So people, I mean customers who pay money for no-code. Also, maybe it will be just very in some parts of the stream very free format where we can just talk with you, and you can always write down your questions, your comments, and we will discuss it together. So to be honest, I don't really understand what it will be on these streams, but I definitely know that it will be exciting and interesting. I will improve the streams time by time, and let's do it together and see how it will work. Yeah. So now I want to start demonstration of the screen. So one moment. Yeah. So I think now you can see my screen. Yep. I just want to check that it works. Yeah, I think it works. Yeah. So now you can see my screen, right? Whole screen. Sorry for this little bit technical issues. It's my first time. I don't know how it works properly. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's start with the no-code news. So before the stream, I tried to find something interesting for like February from no-code news. I just explored Medium, I explored TechCrunch, explored Twitter, and to be honest, I didn't find something very not many articles which we can explore, but let's do like that. So I found some like three, four good articles, and let's explore these articles, and then we will go to Product Hunt. So on the Product Hunt, I found the new no-code tools which published last 30 days, and what I want to make, so we can go to some of these no-code tools and explore and understand for which purposes you can use it, and understand if like this no-code tool good or bad. By the way, I'm sorry about my sound, so the next time it will be from quiet space. Yeah, maybe it will be a little bit louder sometimes. Okay, so but first, I want to share our news from our no-code agency, High No Code, from the last week. Some interesting calls. So I have some calls with the potential customers on the previous week, on this week, and so most of the calls, as always, guys want to make MVP for their startups. You know, I don't so like MVP for startups, because we built about like 10 MVP for startups, and these clients were our main clients, because like now no-code market, like I believe that 80% of no-code market it is MVP for startups, and because now people understand that with no-code you can develop only something simple, something which you can develop quick, simple, not with much functionality, and I had these thoughts of the people, because now with no-code you can develop complex products. For example, we now developing CRM system. Now we're developing the platform for company which create tax reports for businesses in USA. And for example, in this case with the tax reports, it is like very sensitive data. If you know that, if you know U.S. government, so like taxes in USA, it's very important thing, and it's like very sensitive data. And we built this product in Bubble, yeah, because we already work with these complex products. I believe that with no-code now you can build strong solutions for businesses. And I had these thoughts that no-code now works only for startups, only for MVPs. So, and yeah, I just want to show to the market that it's not true. And that's why one of the I very liked one of the requests. So the guys from Germany, they have marketing agency which helps to improve restaurants. Improve restaurants in the internet, on Google Maps, on another like Apple Maps, like improve reviews, ratings, like make like better photos. And they just want to make a demo with the existing restaurants. So they have about like 500 restaurants which they already improved, and they want to make the app where I can see the map with all these restaurants. I can go to each restaurant, see the card see like view of each restaurant from information from Google Maps, and also add some information for each restaurant, how they improved reviews, improved photos, and how it improved their rating from all restaurants. So this is like they want to create business solution for their company, like for purpose that their sales come to when their sales sell this solution, they will showcase their clients and how they improved this for other clients. And this is amazing. This is like, I very like business solutions, because it's not MVP. So they will use it. First thing, they will use it many times, because and always improve it. So it means that they will use our services, I don't know, like 1 year, 2 years. First point. The second point, that product will exist. So we created for last 1 year about 10 MVP for startups, and all these one of 10 startups now in life, and 1 or 2. So like the rest of 8 startups, founders stopped. Like the first case, they stopped work with this idea and just throw it away. The second, they haven't launched yet. So they want to improve and improve. Now we have like 3 clients which want to improve these startups, but they haven't launched yet. I don't, to be honest, I don't like that we have from these 10 products only 1 startup in live. That's why I just very like business solutions, and this, and this request I very liked it. So, and of course, it will be better to use Bubble for this solution. So it just will be desktop view. Where you can see maps, restaurants. You can go to each restaurant and see the all information from Google Maps plus their achievements. So how they improved each restaurant. Okay, I see the question of Denis Smokrinsky, not full screen shared. I think now my full screen shared. Now I don't demonstrate something, and I just want to say some information. Sorry, not some information. Some points from the last this week, and what request we got from potential clients. So another interesting request, it was also business solution, and I also very liked it. Entrepreneur from USA, he makes business like he sell cards with videos from how to say, I don't know how to say in English, one moment, weddings, I think. I'm right. So when people married so when people married, they just after that they probably most of the people who married, they have videos from this day, and he sell cards which you can open, and video will be automatically play, and this is like hardware product, okay, and he now sells these cards with videos, and he has a problem in the user and the user experience of this product. So now people, because all people have videos in different formats, like we have MP4, we have MOV, we have I don't know right pronunciation of these formats, but there is like different formats of the videos, and but he needs to create these cards with the video from wedding in one format, because manufacturer, they work only with the one format, and the idea is that I, as a customer, order this wedding card, get delivery in my home, and I by myself I need to download these videos to this card, and I have different formats, and that's the like it makes user flow bad, because I will need to convert each video in the right format. And he just want to make a very simple solution. So when we created user flow for him, So it was very simple with one screen. It was my first time user flow with one screen, where I can, no, two screens, sign in and sign up screen, and a screen where I can upload my videos. And just customers, customers should be able to go to this service, write down email and the name, go to the service and convert their videos to just upload their videos, and after that converter convert these videos to the pretty simple, one screen. But it's very interesting too, because the second point why business solutions are very interesting, because you can copy paste. You can copy paste this solution to another businesses. So this is, that's why it's very good for. Very good for us. Let's now we have a plan, like big marketing plans. We want to work only with business solutions, develop one solution for one business, and then copy paste it in another countries, another cities. Of course, we will ask about that our customers, because in most of the projects we have NDA. But for example, if a business works in USA, we can ask, so are you planning to work in Europe, for example? And if not, we can find the same business in Europe and make the same solution in Europe. So that's some of our quests from the previous week. Also we have some startup requests. So one guy from Ecuador wanted to make a marketplace like Thumbtack. Thumbtack it is marketplace where you can find home service people like electricity man. I don't know right names of these home services, but some services in the home. And in USA there is very popular home service marketplace Thumbtack, where you can just leave the request, and if you have some problems in your house, and then you can and then you can see requests from other from professionals, and after that you can choose the professional and go to the flow of ordering and work with this professional. So, and he's from Ecuador, and he wants to copy this product in the Ecuador. So it's just a typical situation when somebody come to us and wants to copy the service which they don't have in their country, and this business business approach is very good. So like somebody tried in another country, they got success, and you just copy and paste this business model in your country. So there are most interesting products from last week. So I don't know if it is interesting or not, but I hope so. 26 views. Oh, and now 8 viewers. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I thought I will be alone, to be honest, and I wanted to be alone because I'm very worried about this my first stream. So if you have questions, you can ask the questions, and maybe you want to discuss something about our previous clients and our other requests. But I want just to. I think the last thing which I use and some no-code tools. Yeah, the last thing. I want to share our approach, which I tested only the last week. In our agency, this approach for how to make calls with the clients. So before that, I made calls just like here, like you can see me. I just asked questions about the project. I asked details, so about platforms, desktop or mobile. I asked about features, about integrations, about the budget and time, deadlines, time frames, and it will be just like as you see me now. And first half of the year it worked super cool. So I had conversion, I think about 25% from calls, the first call to order, and it was amazing. But the last half of the year, my conversion went down, and I started to think how I can improve these sales calls. And the idea I had, and I tested them this week, and it's so it's not the time to say that it works or not, because I need to test it like 2 more weeks. But the thing is that I will. So we just meet. I just say hello. Can you say some words about yourself? Just for meet with each other, just for make it warm. So like warm start, and then I will show our product brief and user flow, and I just make this. I fill in this product brief and also user flow with the client in live, and this is like hack which I think will increase your conversion if you make sales calls, because you clients will see your how your approach, that you give attention to all details about their projects, and I think it will work amazing. So just take it if you make no-code sales, and use it in your sales. Yeah. So let's finish with the news about from our agency, and start the exploring news from no-code field, and also start the explore new no-code tools. One moment, I just want to show the screen. Okay. Oh shit. It works. I hate how it works. So one moment. So if you have questions, you can now write down. So we are 2 now. All guys leave this stream, but it's okay. Maybe somebody will come later. Okay, so I'm trying to make it on the full screen. Okay, so by the way, I do you know some stream make streams too? I haven't found. I tried to find, but I want to make it you know, like tradition. I want to improve these streams and maybe invite some no-code founders of no-code tools. And so I think it will be amazing if we will make it like interview sometimes, and you will. So I hope it works. Okay, can you see my screen now? Yeah, I hope that you. One moment, I want to check if you see my screen. Okay, yeah, it works. Okay, so I just found some articles on Medium. Let's explore this article first. So I very like explore products which built with no-code tools, because when you see products which built in no-code, you understand, as you like no-code developer or founder of no-code agency or just guy from no-code, that no-code works, that people use no-code, they buy no-code, and you know, for me it's like motivation. So I see on amazing products in no-code, and I'm happy to see these products, and and it is better when these products are like great ideas, and maybe some of these products will be unicorns, and so I think it's very good for no-code market if you will explore and write articles, make videos about tools which started with no-code, and now these tools are like amazing products, because now when I speak with people, with my friends, with potential customers, I feel that people for now don't how to say confident no code, like they understand that you can create the solution with no code, but they, as I said, they believe in MVP approach, only MVP approach, most of the people. And I think we will it's very good to explore some good products built in no code, and it will motivate us to continue growing no code. So okay, so I found this startup first, this article with the startups which used no-code and AI. So by the way, about AI, so you know that this boom of GPT-3 and how many startups now start to do something with AI, and I very like this. I very like that we as a no-coders, we can use this opportunity of AI to grow our market and to grow our blogs, to grow the market at all, and to grow like each of us can become very popular because of AI. The point is that we can connect, integrate AI GPT-3, for example, in Bubble, and it will be no-code tool built with AI. And so I had idea a few days ago that so we can create one template for AI, for no-code solution with AI. For example, it can be chat. It can be chat, and like the first screen, it will be in one design, but titles will be different. What do I mean? So for example, I have an idea that I can create articles with AI. So I just create in the Bubble solution. First I make the design with the first screens with maybe landing page, and then I have just one screen with the chat, and I have recommendations about each idea. So for example, if I want to make a helper for creating articles with AI, I can make like titles about that, and then create your article in a few seconds with the magic, and that's all. So what I need, so we have the same integrations with the integration with the GPT-3. I don't know how it's complex or not, but you know, so you need one time to go deep in this integration and get the so make sure how it works, and then just copy and paste the same screens, just change titles, and that's all. So that's what I want to make in the future. But it's like, the point is that think about that. If you lose now this opportunity, like it will be like about a couple of months. After a couple of months, I think it will go down, and it will be just like with Clubhouse, for example. It was very popular for like 1, 2, 3 months. Many people used this, and then but now, so okay, I hope that AI, of course, will be changed, and I hope that this how to say, so yeah, this popularity of GPT-3 will always grow, but now it's like the highest point. So now you can think what you can create with no code and AI, and just create it very quick, and make article about that, make the YouTube video, doesn't matter. So but make something, and you have a chance to make audience, make your audience much how to say, make your audience much than it was. Or if you don't have now many subscribers, you have a chance to grow your subscribers because of that. That's why, like, this article, I'm very interested in this article. So I just want to check the stream. Okay, 5 years. Thank you guys for viewing me, and I'm happy that you're here. So okay, this product transform your text instructions into Excel formulas in seconds with the help of AI for free. So as you see, it built Excel formula bot is built in Bubble. So let's check it out. Okay, so you have, as I understand, you have, if you have text instructions, you can, okay, you just type in that I want something, and it will give you text. It will give you formula in Excel. Cool. So I don't know. Yeah, like I think this platform. Yeah, this platform built in Bubble. So and look. So they just integrated one. They made one integration with the ChatGPT-3. I don't know how so is it hard to focus ChatGPT-3 only for questions about Excel? I mean, just focus, yeah, only on these questions. But let's try. So it is, it's if it's for free, let's try it. So I don't know how so how hard it was make integrations with ChatGPT-3, but it's only one integration, and probably we now will come to this platform, and we will realize that it's just one screen. Okay, shit, I hate this things about the password. Okay, I need to go to my email. One moment. Okay. Sorry. Let's. Oh, sorry. It's not my email. Okay. So, by the way, I think that these flows of verification with verification code, they will make they will decrease conversion in the from registration screen to the product. I hate this verifications, and that's so yeah, that's the reason I think it's not a good practice to have these verifications. So I need to make like 5 actions to do that. Okay, so in the article they said that this bot built with Bubble. I don't know, is it true or not? Maybe you can, yeah, you can say about that, but looks like yes, it's possible to build with Bubble. You don't have here. Oh yeah, it's like standard. I think standard font of the Bubble. Cool. As you see, like we don't have like many screens. We have formulas. You can configure your formula request below. So okay, it's maybe this block not very easy for implementation. So I just choose Google Sheets. Do you want to generate a formula? Okay, generate. And okay, we can try like sum the column A and column B. Let's try how it works. Okay, cool, it works. So what they did, they integrated this ChatGPT-3 in this platform, and just output give so like take input, send to ChatGPT-3, and give output from ChatGPT-3. And you can copy it, you can explain, or you can match that it was incorrect. Cool. So easy. As you see, and there are so many products like that, so many ideas which you create like this idea. And I don't know what does it mean like extras. As I understand, okay, they here tried to sell me something Planner Excel. Okay, it doesn't matter what they sell, but yeah, so it built with Bubble, the no-code, and looks like very good. Okay, let's go to the next startup. So okay, so engineers and non-engineers can easily write efficient error-free SQL queries without knowing SQL. Cool, great idea. So looks like very good, right? So and they built with okay, this all platform built in with Bubble. So I don't know who are AI to SQL and engineers. Oh, again, and non-engineers. So I don't know the segments of this product and how they will use it, but maybe they will write they just explain this on the website to create fast, efficient, error-free SQL queries. So okay, as I understand, this product for people who works with SQL, it can be engineers and just guys. Just for example, SQL is like it is language for databases, and I think most of the databases they use SQL code for that. And for example, if I'm a founder and I have SQL database, but I don't know SQL, I can use this product and make make the formulas and go to my database and check and get answers from my database according to my for my request. So it's very interesting, because I worked with the SQL when I studied product management. So in product management, so you need to use SQL when you have big products, like for example, you have 1,000 users. These 1,000 users make different actions, and there are like 100,000 actions. And you need to analyze the sections. You need to analyze how. So you need to analyze why they left the page, for example, why they tapped on this button, and as your product manager, you need to learn SQL for that. But with this product, you just can create the you can create the request and get SQL code. So let's just try it too. It's very interesting how it works. Oh yeah, it's Bubble fonts. So looks you can see they know worried about the design. They just create very simple dashboard. So it looks very simple with this dashboard. Maybe the founder of this product is the same. But okay, like I want to start free trial. Oh, okay, without free trial I can't start. Activate, please sign up. Okay, let's activate free trial. So it is Bubble. So it's like fonts of the Bubble. They didn't change the standard font, and this is so amazing. For me, it's very. I'm very happy that I see something with no code and something with AI, and something which help. something which can help people. Okay, so I think I need to, yeah, I got the link, and welcome to try. Okay, I don't know what's next. Oh, okay, log in here. So okay, this, you see, like they know worse about the design, about this distance from the different from the object of the objects. So they just create it, and it works. It's okay, because if it solve my problem, I won't be worried about the design. So, like, to be honest. So if I don't want to finish this form. Okay, and okay, here I can add my tables, and then ask, okay, use choose the option and ask the question. But here I haven't I don't have for now SQL table, so I think code is generated. So I think if we had this something for analyzing, so we could have here like better than this three strings, but yeah, it's interesting. Just try it by yourself. I can send this article to our chat. Yeah. Okay, so let's go next. So it's too long for this article, but I think you like it. So generate quizzes from any text in one click using AI. Okay, I don't know, I don't understand the idea. Many text from, okay, for schools. Oh, okay. As I understand, I just make a text that I want to create this quiz with these questions, with these scales, and I get my quiz. Great. So so now I need to spend time for creating Google form. Yes, and they all, like, I type form, I think. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, this service for creating forms. But in this service, and they built with Bubble. Yeah, whole platform they built with Bubble. And you can see how it works. So, oh, sorry, it's not, yeah, it's just quizzes. So you can, if you need to, for example, make a test, and you just create this, oh, okay, I got the idea. So if you have, like, for example, learning article, and you need to check if your students learn this article well, and you just fill in this information, and questions will be automatically created. So it's a great product for teachers from universities and schools. So I think now they spend much time for so if I have this article about Elon Musk, which questions I can ask for, make sure that these students know this information. So they don't need now make this shit. They can go and in the service and create the questions. And as you see, they created in Bubble also this logic with the yes, this logic with the check the answers, and you can delete answers. Cool. Yeah, teachers and schools, HR teams. Oh, HR teams. So in HR teams, you can create assessments from compliance documents. Every time there's change in policies, assessments could be generated and given employees to make sure that they have read and understand new policies. So it's great. I am just very happy that they found these segments, which I think they made customer development for that, and they found the HRs have this pain, and they can solve it. So publishers and tech companies. So yeah, like if you have courses, you and you need to check if your students passed this and learned like your videos well. You can send them you can create in this service quiz for them, and they will they will go through, and you will check how good they know the information. So it's amazing. I ever like it. So I want to start it for free, but I think it will be it's without registration. It's great. As you see, I don't need to sign up and waste my time. Cool. They just so that's cool. That it's like very good UX. I don't know what will be next, but okay, try it for free. Okay, no, shit. I need to registrate, of course, with Google. Okay, but I hope. Okay, so it's very good flow. So when you create in the flow only Google, it's very so it's the best option, because all people have signed in Google, and you can easy go to this and start to use platform. So I like this user experience. Okay, so let's check. So for example, okay, here I can choose what type of logic I want to create. So for example, we can make true and false, and we can I think use this article for check this service. Let's do like that. Okay, let's check how I read this article. Okay, so do you have questions? No. So now and you see they have one integration, and as I said, so you can create this. You can create how many. You can as many services as you want, just with one integration and one design. And in design you just will change the titles, descriptions, and that's all. It's amazing. I use this idea, and I after this stream, to be honest, I will create the team and we will do the same. But there are many ideas for AI, and try different ones. So okay, so they created true false questions. Okay, and then please reset run. Okay, so they and this text I can send to my students, as I understand. So I can create form here, but it will very good if I can create the form, because now I have just a text, and I need to copy each text and paste in my materials. But it will be much better. You can use this idea, for example, do it like the same, but with automatically creation the form. Okay, I think you got this idea and how it works. It built only with also with Bubble. You can see that fonts are the same, so absolutely the same like in Bubble. Okay. So the last startup with AI. Oh, it is the same. Create thousands of landing page of blog and post. Okay, they created the wrong link. Okay, so for AI and no-code products, I think it's enough. I hope it was interesting. Let's go to the next article. So I found this article about no-code news. What's new was like in different no-code tools. To be honest, I didn't learn this article much, but let's see just on the parts of the article and find out some interesting parts here. So in Bubble, I didn't understand what does it mean, automatic fusion in Bubble, accelerate Bubble development. Okay, so upload and share your Bubble assets, reuse components and widgets created by the community, manage Bubble. Okay, they just created components for Bubble. That's all, I think. Yeah, different elements. By the way, about Bubble and elements, half of the year ago, I have the idea that we can create many templates in Bubble from our different projects, and then build from these small parts the products. And well, I haven't done with that yet, but you can write down what do you think about that. But our developers say that it's not a good decision, because it's better to make it a new design and create a new design for each for each project. I don't know what approach is better, but yeah, you can share in comments. But okay, here they have just Bubble templates, so it's not interesting. So, but Flutterflow is very interesting because Flutterflow, I very believe in Flutterflow. Now in our agency we create two projects. We already created one project in Flutterflow, and we're working with the second now. And I like Flutterflow because Flutterflow gives you code, Flutter code, and one thing you can fill in different functions in Flutterflow, in Flutter code, and if you have stuck with the with some elements in Flutterflow, you can create your element with the Flutter code. And the second thing, you can get your code after development and continue with the code. And this is very good because Bubble don't have this feature, and if so sometimes, not sometimes, so one time you will definitely, if you build the product, you definitely faced with the limitations with no code, and you will need to use code. And in Bubble you can just fill in parts of the code. It's okay too, but it's not as scalable as Flutterflow, as I think. And the second thing, Flutterflow is very good in mobile. So Bubble tried to improve their service platform for mobile, but Flutterflow built with Flutter, and Flutter focus on the mobile, on the App Store for native apps, for App Store and Google Play. And you definitely will have like better user experience with Flutterflow. You can use and the thing is that in Bubble you just use frame and with the it will work like frame with website, and this website looks like the app. But in Flutterflow it's like more native, and you can use many features with the hardware. For example, use camera. In Bubble you can use camera too, but for example, if you create health app where you need to track your information from Apple Health, for example, so I think you will have problems in Bubble with this feature. So okay, about Flutterflow. So code expansion allows to pre-code your variables database, finally scalable database. I don't know what does it mean, scalable database. Firebase app check. So I think that you can use many fields. I don't know really. Okay. So some improvements. I'm not a professional, to be honest, in Flutterflow, and I'm just happy to see that they have new improvements. Last time I used Flutterflow, it was like 1 year ago, and this time we faced with so many limitations in Flutterflow, but now we create the products and we have also limitations, but we can. By the way, in Flutterflow you can make the piece of codes, piece of code with GPT-3 in Flutter and paste it. So you can use no-code and AI together, and AI can help you with no-code. It's amazing. So that's like the second point to use Flutterflow. Okay, so parameters improvements. Okay, they have some publishing uploads faster. It's cool. Yeah, like our apps publish usually in Flutterflow in a few days. They didn't have problems with that. If you will compare it with Bubble, in Bubble publishing app takes much time. Okay, so and Figma to Webflow. Okay, some improvements in Zapier, and Notion. I like improvements in Notion. I like when Notion people say about Notion like about no code. Okay, Notion, I really like Notion, so let's explore what they improved. So we present 3 of the least improvements. Notion: select multiple cells using Shift and row case, or click and drag. So you can now select multiple cells. So you can move this information. I don't know what does it mean. Yeah, I think yes. So analytics of your shared pages. Oh, you have analytics now. It's very good. So it's very good about no code because we have some no code tools which use Notion as a builder. So I forgot the name, but in one tool you can download your Notion page and create website from this page. That's very good. So it's very simple because you need to just create the Notion for your website, and now you can see analytics of your website and of your Notion. So like for people who use it for website, it will be very good and amazing. For example, we have user flow guide, which will use which described in Notion, which we send to all our potential clients. It will be very good for like track how many people we have on each block and figure out which block we need to improve for which blocks we need to improve. So use captions block as a digital sticky notes for okay, it's like tool for brainstorming. Use caption blocks. Okay, cool. They have sticky notes like in Miro. So okay, some improvements in Airtable. Multiple selection for column removal. So I use Airtable now in financial side, in our agency, in marketing side, and in project side. So we just moved all databases from Notion to Airtable because Airtable is more powerful, more faster, and you can. Airtable, it's like real. It's a database. So in Notion is database too, but in Airtable you can easily integrate with Zapier. You can easily integrate it with Bubble and show information from your database in the Bubble, and that's why Airtable is like more scalable for some analytics. For example, we have project management in the Airtable, we have financial management, and we have marketing management in Airtable. And we can, in the future, we can move it to Bubble and yeah, that's all. So we can, with Notion, it's not, maybe it's possible too, but it's harder. So Airtable, okay, they have just one update. So multiple selection for column removal, new stability API. Here's the video. Okay, let's see the article. Okay, it's not. It's just description of Airtable. Okay, let's finish with this article. It's starting to be too boring. So what I want to discuss next. So I also found. Let's check. Oh, I have 2 viewers. It's very good. So yeah, if you have comments and if you have questions, you can ask them in the chat. And maybe you have some suggestions what we can discuss the next. But the next, I just want to remind you that we have some new no-code tools, which are very exciting to use and to test. And also we have. Yeah, and last thing about no-code tools, I very want to explore something together. So yeah, let's finish with our 2 last articles. So first article, first article about the no-code tool which built startup which built with no-code tool. It's habit tracker. I just just noticed like 52 paying users, and understand that this product works well, and that's why it's interesting for me. So in this article, she described why how they made this product, and that's interesting that she used GPT-3 also for habit tracking. So as I understand, the idea is that you set up some habits. Her old text you once a day asking if you did the habit or not. Okay, it's like in SMS, right? Yes. And you simply reply text yes or no, and it is all tracked, and then text you with the engagement and progress reports along the way. So I hate, to be honest, trackers, habit trackers, because I always use it like for one day and then stop use, because they all don't have gamification, and I don't know how about you, but I need to always feel it like a game, and that's why it is important to make it with like a game. But like here like the logic is that just I have, like, for example, habit go to gym every day, or like drink a cup of water, 1 liter of water, and you just say yes or no. But I think this idea can be extended with the AI, and the AI can send you cool reminders like, yo dude, if you will drink 1 bottle of water today, you will be much healthier. So it will help you to improve your developer skills, for example. And if I will get these notifications, and but not like this this bullshit, but if I will get cool explanations why I need to make these habits, I definitely will use it. Okay, so but we focused very much for this idea. I just want to show you how they used no code. So okay, here's the results. 52 paid subscribers, around 50 daily active users, 1K signups total, around 65 MRR. Okay, the subscription is like not so expensive, as I understand. So they used let's explore these tools which they used for this product. So they used autocode is like Zapier. Okay, like this autocode logic with the run the full backend. Okay, like Zapier. Yeah, I think you know about Zapier. Zapier helps you to make actions on the backend side. For example, send if this action happens, SMS will send to me. For example, SMS should send to me every day at 10 AM, and this automation you can set in Zapier. Okay, so Airtable for database, and also we have Twilio. Okay, for SMS. Twilio will help you to send SMS. And Unicorn platform to build my website. Unicorn, what is it? I haven't heard about that. Simple landing page builder. Okay, let's explore it in the next version, next stream. By the way, I want to check if I have the recording. Oh shit, I haven't recorded. Okay, not a problem. I hope that YouTube will record the streams. I don't know if it's right or not, but okay. Okay, we are 2 now in the stream. Thank you guys for your time, that you not leave us, and I will boost, I will make marketing for this stream, and we definitely will have more viewers in the future, and that's the reason I will improve it always, because people won't come back on the next streams if streams will be like a shit. So okay, let's return to this product. So she used mail right to send out emails. Okay, so very simple optimization. If as you can notice, she used only website. So it's interesting where her platform based. I think people just create the notifications, and and they have maybe on this website and website builder. But okay, I want to see this no code exist from. Oh, okay, it's just it's the agency. The agency which created this product. Cool, guys. I like the name. No code exist. Okay, cool. They have good design. Yeah. Great. Okay, so good product, and this I think we don't have time for now review these startups make 500 plus ARR, 5,000 ARR with no code, but let's check it out very quickly. Oh, it's the same. Okay, yeah, the same startups we already explored, just 2 different articles. Okay, so let's go to the next part. So we have now how many? Okay, so I don't know how much time we now on this stream. Oh, I think more than 1 hour. Cool, good result. So let's learn some. Let's explore some new no-code tools. So for exploring, I have a story about no-code, all no-code tools. So the point is that we don't really know how many no-code tools we have now. So as you see, we have here no-code list. I can send you in the chat now. If you don't have this, if you don't know about this platform, but here they publish I think most of the no-code tools, and as you see, here it's just oh shit, what the fuck, I don't want to see the advertising here. As you see, we have about, I don't know, 50 categories, and each category has many startups, many no-code tools. So I think they have more than 300. I don't know how many. They don't. 300 plus no-code tools. And the point is that we know in no-code market, you as a developer, you as a just dude who interested in no-code, you know like few no-code tools. You use few no-code tools. You use Bubble, maybe you try to use Flutterflow, Adalo of course as the most simple, and with that not bad no-code tool, and Glide for example. And most of the agencies, most of developers work with these no-code tools, and you have no idea, most of you, how many no-code tools we have. So how many no-code tools we have, and yes, most of the no-code tools, they're like rubbish. I know this point, but we have some beautiful no-code tools, some new no-code tools, which solve very specific tasks. Like for example, okay, I just also you can explore new no-code tools on Product Hunt and see published no-code tools in last 30 days. And for example, this no-code tool, let's explore this one, no-code+AI model builder. So it will help you to build AI model. So I don't think that with Bubble you can easy to build AI model. I don't think that with Flutterflow you can just go to Flutterflow and with a few hours create your AI model. AI model. Yeah. And the thing is that we have many no-code tools which solve small tasks. So, for example, you will have a client who wants to create something with AI, no code and AI, and you just for now you just will explore integrations. You can explore integrations into AI. You can explore AI, and you have like one way, just build it in Bubble. So integrate Bubble and make front end in Bubble and integrate it with AI and use AI GPT-3 on the back end. But do you think, have you thought that we have a no-code tool with which you can create this AI model very fast? So you can not only make front end for this guy who wants something with AI, but you can create the whole model, AI model. Okay, so but let's check it out. I don't know about this idea. I'm not nobody paid for advertising for these applications. I just today first time, to be honest, saw these new platforms. Let's just explore one by one and understand which one good and which one's not very good. Okay, so create custom AI models in minutes with no code. Take a generic AI model, personalize it with your own data, join 5,000 plus builders today. Okay, they have 5,000 builders. You know, I've seen the article that about opportunities in AI. It's like we have a very famous dude in IT field, Dobry, and I saw his post about AI, and he said that you have three opportunities. You can hype on AI, but it's like very, it's So it's not. It don't have something for the big future. You know, you just can hype very quick and name something as AI, and after hype finishing, you will close this product. You can create the products in AI like this one, or you can create like AI tools like GPT-3, and in these products there is a future. So these guys found, and which we explored before that, and these guys, they found niche for AI, and I think that if they have 5K builders, they found the niche. And the thing is that you can do it too. So you can just take different professionals. You can think, so which things can be built with AI, like, okay, which processes can be simplified with AI and create the products. But these guys make it went more deep and do something with the creation AI products, and it's good for us if you want to create something with AI. But yes, as I told, I very want to create many products with AI. That's why this product is very interesting for me. Okay, choose the right AI builder for your project. Okay, I want to check just the stream. Okay, so create new AI written content or ask AI powered. Okay, let's build the content AI model. Okay, save your open secret API key. So I need to go to my OpenAI account and get API key. Let's do that. Okay, so in my account I have, okay, let's create new API key. So like this registration flow, it's pretty simple. So you don't think about how I should find this API key and so on. So it's very good. So confirm payment method setup on your API account. I don't know why payment method. So okay, why don't you need API key? Stop payment. You need to have payment method set up on API key. If you change when we train, okay, our users pay $1 per model on average. Okay, so they will charge something you for use these models, and make intention for that because you can spend much money if you want to create many models, I think. But okay, let's go further. Okay, so they have very simple design, and I very like it. So they don't give a shit about the design. They just create the idea. They just got the idea and create the design very quick. So it's just text. So it's not just text and good color. Okay, they need to hand building your project. Oh, cool! they make the agency. So they offer to create a project by themselves, I think. Yeah, get expert data support, share data. We'll work with you to get that model ready. Okay, I don't want to do that. Prepare your training data. You will need to use our spreadsheet template to format your data. Make a copy of your template from Google Sheets. paste in your data, making sure only add data. Okay, I don't understand what I need to do here. Watch it to see how. Okay, let's see how. Okay, I go to spreadsheets. Okay, I just copy the document. Okay. Okay, as I understand, I need to create some data for training my model. Okay, let's go further and copy this template. Okay, file, make a copy, AI test model. Okay. Add test model. So what should I do next? Paste in your data, making sure you add data to the first two columns. Aim for 200 plus quality examples to create a high performance model. Don't have the training data, use my tweets. Oh, so if you don't have training data, you can use the data. Authorized no-code model. Oh, okay. So what does it mean? This application will be able to see tweets, see your Twitter profile information, see your accounts, following blogs, see your email address. Okay. Let's try. Okay, I can create your tweet me writer. Okay, so I don't know what happened here, but they have, I think, feature connect that you can connect your Twitter and then fetch your tweets. What does it mean, fetch? I don't know what does it mean. I want to check. Okay, I got it. We fetch 250 of your most recent tweets, excluding replies and retweets, and they create your tweet me AI model. We'll estimate the OpenAI cost to train your model once your tweets are uploaded. So they they just made an example how you can so it's amazing. They made an example how what product you can create, and for example here they offer to create a tweet me writer that will write tweets in your style under the tweets. Yeah, under the threads, in the threads. It's amazing. So, okay, but we'll do it later. Try to example bad jokes data. Okay, let's try an example. Bad jokes data added. What does it mean? Okay, bad jokes. We can format data. Okay, it's cool. It's cool that how they monetize it. So we can format your data and provide expert advice for $200 or make free 15 minutes onboarding call. It's very cool. So yeah, I want just check this spreadsheets. So okay. Oh, okay, you need to create the questions. How does the questions which will be learned by the GPT-3, and by these like 200 questions you can understand better how to ask on the questions, answer. It's great. You know, you can create whatever product you want now with the AI. So yeah, if you, for example, want to create app like psychological app for help people with their problems, you can just create answers. For example, what if I feel bad, and make answers, and do like 200 right questions, like questions and answers, and make your, according to that, AI model. It looks like fantastic. So how does, okay, let's explore it. Why did the computer go to the dentist? It had the Bluetooth. Why did the bicycle fall over? It was too tired. Okay, just jokes. Okay, and you just you need to yeah, fill in your information here. Okay, but let's try with this upload data. Upload CSV data, and let's go to create your AI model. So estimate your OpenAI cost. In your file we found 400 examples, rows with 25 characters. Okay, and name your model. Okay, one free model with example data. So I don't want to use this example. Create your model for free with the 10 with the 10 examples. Okay, for free I can use only 10 examples, I think, or by credits. So okay, this platform cost credits which you need to buy, and for this, for 400 I will need to pay like 38 cents. That's okay. So but you understand the idea. So I think after that your AI model will be created, and you can use this integration with Bubble if you want to create in Bubble. So if you didn't understand, so first you need to create model here, and then connect Bubble and ChatGPT-3. By the way, I can record the video when I do this integration. I started yesterday explore Bubble, and I realized that it's like pretty simple. As all no-code platforms, people said me that, oh, it's too complex, it's just you will need months to explore it and learn. So I think I can create this AI product. So I will have the idea. So, and for 3 hours. So for 3 hours I will create this product. Let's go with challenge, and tomorrow I will show it. Okay, tomorrow I will record this video and publish it, I think Monday. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go further. So I think schedule it for, so we are now in live 1 hour and a half. It's too much. Oh, I have a question. How about a school or lessons for no coders from your team? Have you such plans in the nearest future? So, if Evgeny, Evgeny asked a question about the schools and lessons, yes, we are planning um, launch the lessons, but not lessons. We want to create the boot camps. So we have I very like the idea of Yandex Practicum, and this is Yandex Practicum launched the boot camps, and they as you if you don't know about that, so first they launched not the boot camps. So they launched just lessons, interactive lessons where you can create learn the code in this redactor. Editor, sorry. They had mentors also, but now they start to make boot camps, and I want to copy this methodology in our courses. So it won't be courses. I don't want to name these courses because courses it's like a shit now. You can find all information in the internet for free, and I believe in that. So if you want to start Bubble, Flutterflow, you don't need buy courses. Just go make a project and see the YouTube videos. But if you will do it alone, it will be maybe longer that you expect, because it's like too boring, and not all people have motivation to go to the laptop at each day learn courses. So probably you will like okay, self-study works, but it works not for many people. If you have a good idea, if you have a client with the money, when I started a no-code agency and my no-code path, I had clients who were ready to pay me for this product, and I was highly motivated to do this product. That's why I didn't give a shit about courses, not courses. I just try to understand how to make these applications. But in most of the cases, people need a team with which they can create products together, and they also need mentor who can advise in some difficult situations. But the idea of the Yandex, they create boot camps, and they make tasks together, so we have the same idea and the idea of our courses. So we will give moreover, we will give the courses for free. All courses will be for free, all theoretical side, but you will pay for boot camp, and in boot camp you will have no coders who will also in the process of learning and doing project. And the idea is that we will give our internal startups as a projects, and you will make the really good products in this study. So we now work in this no-code bootcamps, and we will, I think, launch it in 1 month. So I think I asked a new question. Okay. guys, 4 viewers. Thank you for coming. So we explored this AI tool. As I said, uh, just go and create your AI model and make integration with the bubble. It's pretty simple, so I will show you in a few days how I did it in 3 hours, and you just will need to repeat my actions. Okay, let's go to the next startup. So we have some new no-code tools. Let's go to no-code exist. So okay, no-code exist. I think it's like okay, it's like okay, this like they created the company which just tell histories about different projects. It's cool. So they just make articles about no-code tools, and if you created something good, you can, I think, write to these guys and publish your article there, because I think that they will have good audience, because they took they filter in the product hunt here, and people liked this idea, and I just will add it in the chat. Okay, if you have a project, go to no-code exist and ask for publish. Okay, let's go for this. Next generation web design app powered by AI. Let's learn. Okay, so showcase web design with AI. So discover the design tool of the future. Ship your next site for free. Your event is ready. Okay, I don't know what they do. I can understand from this website. Okay, so they make a selection and design suggestions popularized based on surrounding styles. The second, talk to the voice assistant and have it perform complex styling tasks. Oh, it's very good. So they, this no-code tool, it will help to. So you just will give more voice messages, and design will be created, right? Resize your layouts automatically thanks to algorithms reflowing objects without disrupting the overall layout. Okay, let's try. Looks like you can create the design for your no-code products here without designer, but it can it could sound like a very cool product, but I think that it doesn't work now well, because all products with design, I think not ready for AI for now. So because they need more learn more about AI. Okay, so thank you for joining the waitlist. Oh shit. Okay, I can't use this no-code platform, right? Okay, cool. Thank you for this tool which doesn't work. Hope it will work sometimes. but okay, I hate this. I hate when you spend time and you just go to wait list. Okay, where's no-code list? I think it's not. Let's go to no-code list again. Okay, Studio Early Bird. Effortlessly create, pitch, and validate your early stage business with a no-code landing page builder. Okay, landing page builder. Let's just see the website, but I think it's not interesting because now the best no-code builder is Tilda, and but okay, I don't want to say that this no-code tool is bad. One moment. Okay, so create landing page that converts ideas into customers. Sign up today, it's free. Okay, create landing page for your audience will love. Avoid burning time of money into your stage. Okay, just simple no-code redact editor, right? Yes. I think it's not interesting for us, so you can create your website in the Tilda, for example, and Tilda is one of the best one. But if you want to try, go ahead. Let's go to the next. Notify log, one-stop tool for event tracking analytics. It's something strange. Why it's no code? Okay, it's like no code in no code marketing. So build, monitor, and show real-time events notifications in minutes, not days, with notify log. Okay, so I don't like that when people say no code about just marketing tool. So that's why it's not interesting for us. Okay, it means fast. Friends and affiliates. Okay, let's go to product hunt. Let's come back to the product hunt. Okay, let's explore this. No, oh, it's looks like website builder too. Ditch the grids, create the websites like your design graphics. Let's see what they do. It's interesting that many, I don't know why, but maybe because market of the websites is huge. That's why many no-code tools about the website builders. The only true drag and drop website builder. So as I understand, 500,000 people use WebWave to build unique websites. Okay, I didn't know about this reductor, so okay, cool. You can see it how it looks like. I like this idea. So okay, you don't need cool animation, as you can see. It looks like very good, but when you will practice it, I think it will be worse than here. So yeah, just good builder. Let's okay, I'm not a designer, that's why we didn't test this platform, but yeah, for the websites I think it will be better. It will be good. Yeah, just just try. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So Airplane, developer-centric approach to building UIs and workflows. Let's explore. Developer infrastructure for internal tools. Okay, so it looks like not no code, so it just helps with code. Okay, it's not interesting too. Alt sprints idea to MVP in 2 weeks. Okay, it's not, it's like shit. Sorry. No code mini accelerator, learn to build, launch. Okay, it's like very bad idea. I don't know what is it, but it. Okay, I don't know how it's like bad or good, but looks like very strange. Okay, create custom Google Maps with the 1K markers. Oh, okay. Let's see the video.
Hey, Product Hunt. Atlas is a tool for creating maps like this, this, and this. Here's how it works.
Okay, it's like no-code tool for creating maps. Yeah.
We'll create a new map. We can plot markers. If we need a lot of markers, we can upload a CSV spreadsheet.
By the way, I haven't seen the tool which focused on the maps, so it's very good. When I said you about the point that you might get from the client request from the client, and about the product, and you might don't know if there is like specific tool for this task. And when you will know about many no-code tools, you will, for example, if the next time customers will come to you and say that, oh, I want to create the Maps app for my idea, and if you see this this stream from the start, I told about the client who wants to create map, like the app with the maps and with the all places of all restaurants, and looks like this no-code tool will good for him.
Now here's where the real fun starts. We can customize the map. So we can choose a map theme. This one's nice. And we can style the markers, though let's go fast. Nice. Now when a user clicks a marker, a modal is open, and we can customize this modal too. So let's also do that, but fast.
It's very cool. It's like it definitely fit with the requirements of this guy who wants to create this cafes map with cafes, and it's very good because we don't need use Bubble for that. For example, okay, he has a design, and in Bubble we will need to create the map. We need to create blocks and make integration with Google Maps. But here we don't need work with that. So we have all prepared blocks for the map, and what I will need to do change this data, and that's all. So yeah, it's amazing. So if you will have the client, or if you will have the task to make the map, or just use this editor. But stop. We didn't explore this editor yet, but looks like it is good. Maybe it will have many lags and arrows, and maybe it's bad.
Awesome. When we're ready, we can publish the map. We can embed it on a website, or share it, and we can even password protect it to keep it private. This, of course, is just the start. We can also add a sidebar to the map. We can organize markers into groups. We can add search-defined markers near you. We can add layers like the current traffic. And of course, this is all mobile-friendly too. Atlas was co-founded by me and my friend Carl. Together, we've been working on Atlas for 3 years now.
It's cool. They will show that they are real and the co-founders. It's very cool.
And we're super excited to share it with the product and the community. So let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks.
I want the same microphone for podcasts. Okay, so let's explore. It's a good tool if you will need to use only maps. Create a custom Google Maps. So they you can see how they name their products, like use create custom Google Maps. It's very good marketing. So trusted by large or small. Okay, let's create the map. Okay. Password and email. Sign up. Shit. Okay, I should get the code. Okay. Shit. I lost this app. Where is it? Shit. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so let's start our maps. I want to create new map. So by the way, I have the app with maps. I have a Cafe Work app where you can find the place for work in your city, and I will send this link to this app later. But let's try with this idea. So search for add to add marker. Okay, for example, I want to add this cafe where I am now to the map. Pacamara. Pacamara food and drink. Okay, Pacamara. I am in Bangkok now. Okay, let's add this place. I don't know if it's this place or not, but probably this place. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, and what's next? Okay, I can choose. Cool. So I got the name. So I'm so excited because I have the same. So as I said, I have maps. I have app with cafes for work, and looks like this product will fit to my app. So, okay, so I have this name of the app. I have address. I have notes. For example, let's there is no Wi-Fi here. It's true because now I use mobile connection. Let's make download images. But doesn't matter. And then, so it's interesting if I can create only. Can I download something not only? So because I have a task in this Cafe Work app. that make integration with Google Maps and download the data from Google Maps. And that's why I'm asking myself, is it possible here to add here photos? Okay, individual stylus. I can choose the point. I can make like bolder color. I can make it like huge. Okay. And I can add the icon also. Cool. But the thing is, I already see the limitations. So for the icon, I have depending of my cafe, depending of type of the place, I have different icons, and here I can do the same. Okay, it doesn't matter. So okay, I added the cafe. I want to customize. Okay, this is customization only about cards, right? Map, markers, models. Yeah, it's just customizable. Map controls, CSS. Just a question I think about map. So I can't customize. I can customize markers. I can customize models, right? Okay, so this card I can customize. Photo gallery. You can create the gallery. Show address. But the thing is that I can't find here information from Google Maps. I have from Google Maps only address and name of the place, and that's all. So it's not good. Yeah, because position. Oh, okay, position of this. Okay. So what do I think? I think I can. That's all what I can do that. So I like it that it is pretty simple. So I don't need to custom marker. I make a custom marker. Okay, yeah, just my photo. Okay, I don't think that this app will be helpful for many people, for many cases, because you can't. For example, I in my app need to download all information from Google Maps. Need to change markers, at cafes, and here I can't do nothing. So I can just make my points and do it like that. So let's try how it will look like. Link to the map, view as a visitor. Okay. But I like that that it is pretty simple. So you just send the map, and you can explore. You can here like at your website, for example. If you have like different places and you need to, for example, show the places, special places, with your, for example, I don't know, places where you can meet with the community in community places. You can use this app and use this card in your community. Use this map in your community. But I don't know for which reason, which tasks it will be very helpful. So I don't have an idea, to be honest. Because I have maps, and that's all. So new map, I don't so like this app, to be honest. It has very limited functional, but we just learned new app, and if you will have somebody who want to create their own map very fast, you can help him, and I don't know, like charge for that $500 and create it for 10 minutes. Okay, so okay, let's go to the next no-code tool. So we already explored one with AI, and one with AI and one with map, but I didn't like these tools. AI model creator, it is amazing, but I need to check it, how it works. Okay, this tool, I will send you the link to this tool in the chat. Okay, map tool. So let's go further. Data bar AI, connect any data API under 3 clicks. Let's explore it. So we have always tasks in the agency for like connect APIs, and they say that I can connect API at 3 clicks. So looks like very good. Less than 3 minutes, access hundreds to API without raising a single line of code, download customer database, finance sports, and much more than 3 clicks. I like this idea because this title, I don't know how it works, because they promise that it will be in 3 clicks. Usually it will take more than 3 clicks, and you need to figure out about API integration. So if it's not something popular, you will need to learn documentation for API integration, and it will be like shit for you. Like if the API is not so popular. But let's just first read about that. So okay, how does it work? Pick up API that best fits your needs. Okay, our team spent hours reading and describing API docs, so you don't have to quickly pick the API and get started in time. So looks like very good. So you don't need to find APIs. They just find many APIs and that you can use. It's good. Yep. So then extract custom live data sets into clicks. Use the query builder to connect to any API into clicks. Forgot Unix timestamps. Okay. You just in the second part you will get your you will get your data. Yeah, you can request manage your data from the workspace. Get started exploring a few categories. Okay, let's getting started with the categories. So coronavirus. Why all examples about coronavirus? Most of all examples about coronavirus. Social stats. Not still sure. Okay, let's try with social stats. Try me. Okay, registration. Sorry, I tried to connect my laptop to the charger. Okay, let's continue. But if you have knowledge with work with API, I think you don't have this type of problems. But in some of the cases, as understood, they focus on the cases when you don't know which API you need to use. And now in no code, so you can connect the API with, for example, using, I don't know, is it possible to use to connect like API straight to Bubble? Probably yes, probably it's possible. Because I'm not the best in Bubble. I just started it yesterday. Started to learn, but we building in Bubble for one last year. But okay, but with Zapier, so Zapier and Make, they created for APIs, for connect different APIs and with each other. So select options. You're familiar with API. Okay, I'm not API Pro. How do I find out about us? Is there any particular reason you don't work with API? Just looking around. Let's continue. Subscribe to updates. No. Let's activate your account. I can schedule a call. It's so interesting how many hours they use for that. Okay, they don't have for free. They don't have whatever simple integration, complex data pipeline, data scales with you, credits are refilled every month and monthly plans. Oh shit, they haven't got free trial? Seriously? What the fuck? Sorry guys. Service this platform is shit. Because I need to spend $20 for that. Okay, maybe they have another option. It's impossible. So all products have as you said, as you saw, they they show page and then and can share with me the screen of my dashboard before the payment. Okay, so you need to pay for this product, and I don't know if it's good or not. We can't. I don't want to spend $20 for just check this product. Yeah, I think I'm alone now. Oh no, five dudes. Thank you guys for viewing this boring exploring of the no-code tools. But I hope it's not as boring as I think. Build internal tools remarkably fast. Okay, let's see what it is. So, and I just explore and product hunt last 30 days products. You can see how many we have no-code tools. Coda, Notion. Okay, so retool. So we have retool. Build custom internal tools in minutes. Build an interface via our drag and drop AI. User UI, hook it up to your data, and you are done. So let's check it. Let's check how it works. Looks like good no-code tool. So okay, let's go to the website. Looks like not just maps. Okay, let's show the video for not spend time if it's not a good product. Okay, watch now. Why I can't watch? Okay, the button doesn't work. Okay, a complete set of powerful building blocks, table, connect to anything, read the right data with queries. Okay, they read data from MongoDB. I don't know what is it. Okay, there is you can write a code and read the code. It's good that they have these opportunities, but I'm not make sure what they write here. Okay, so built for developers. Retool is highly hackable. So okay, it's just tool for developers. I think it's like low-code tool. So I want to check if I have questions. No, I don't have questions. Custom components deploy. I don't know from this website what they created for. Let's start for free. Let's give a chance to this product. So I want to. Next time we will we will explore tools from no-code list. Here in no-code list, I hate that we can't filter it. So I don't know which tools are recently added. So I have just this, and that's all. Oh, it's doing fast, affordable, provide customization, flexibility, provide highly customized native Android app. Let's explore it after this one. Okay, continue with the red tool. Okay, work email. Oh, I can sign up with Google. Okay, let's explore team company, high no code. I don't know why I need to fill in this information. Get started by connecting data before building your app. We will need some data to build with. Retool connects to all your databases and APIs, including our built-in database. Okay, so but if I don't have database, so if I don't have database, I think I can't use it. Okay, but I have Airtable. I have data in Airtable. Let's use Airtable. If they have Airtable, Slack, API integration, Stripe, Google Sheets. Can find database type. Let us know. Not ready to connect your data. Try Retool. Let's try Retool. Learn Retool in 5 minutes. So do we have 5 minutes? I think yes. Want to learn the core concept before you continue? Take this tutorial to build a simple approval app We'll get users from our database via SQL. Okay, so for this app, you need to use your own database. It could be an Airtable, but I didn't find here Airtable. It is bad because I very like Airtable. You can easy create your database, and if you don't have many fields, I think it will be okay for you, and it's like the simplest option. But okay, so take a 5-minute tutorial. Let's go. Okay, let's start with laying out of the UI. To display our signups, we'll want to render them in the table. Okay, drag our table. Okay, let's drag the table. So as I understand, this is like my screen, and I can drag the screen. Okay, so nice. Okay, let's add a button to approve for our users. Click on the canvas or hit escape, and this will deselect this table. What? Okay, let's click escape. Okay, I use this, I select this table, drag a button under the canvas next to the table. So I need to drag a button onto the canvas. Okay, let's drag the button, but where I can find the button? Oh, here. So where's button? Oh, they have, so by the way, they have many objects. It's cool. Okay, next to the table, let's do that. It's interesting they have like these small fields, and I can also, it's cool. It's my first time they have this, I see this, you know, little strings. It looks like good. So it looks that I can change the these columns, right? And I can change the size of the columns, and I think. But okay, let's try like that. So I can't choose the size which I want. For example, if I have Figma file, I think it will be hard to transfer this Figma file, because, you know, here you don't I can't see the, oh shit, what the fuck. What happened? Okay, something went wrong. Let's add the table again. Let's drag and drop button. Okay, select the button, and in the component inspector, change the text property to improve. Approve. So here I just want to see what we can change here. So we can change the line of the button, and we can change colors here. cool. And border radius. Okay, looks like good, but you know I can't. So if I have in design points and for example lines, if I have in design like specific positioning of the object, I think I can't here do that. Yeah. Select the resource onboarding, then click save and run. Select the resource onboarding DB. What happened? What I need to do? I can't understand. Why is it? Select the resource. Onboarding DB. Where is onboarding DB? I can't find it. Select the resource onboarding DB. Okay, run. Let's run. Save and run. No rows display. I don't understand what happened here. But you know, the thing is that I don't understand for which type of products that we can use it. So, for example, for apps, probably not as I understand, because so I can see the okay. Here I can set responsive. Oh, okay, it's not responsive. I can't understand how it will look like on the mobile, and probably this product only for desktop. Okay, I got it. So the tool is for
Retool is a fast way of
let's see
building.
the video. So I think the tool is the tool for admin panels, like, and for internal products.
Internal tools. Let's say we're Amazon and we want to mark customer orders as gifts. This is a simple app, so we can build it in less than 5 minutes. First, we want to fetch a list of customers, so we can write a simple query to do that. Select star from users, and preview the data, and since that looks good, let's add a table to the canvas to display it. When we do this, it hopefully pre-fills the data from our last query, so the table's almost ready to go. Now, we want to search our user list, so let's add text input for the search box.
Okay, I got it. This is tool for internal users. So that's why they don't have responsiveness. So, for example, if you have already your database and you need to work with that, and you need that your team will work with that, or your employees, so it's I think will good tool for you. But I don't understand now segments and tasks which it can solve, but let's continue.
Searching for first name is easy, so we can give it a label first name, and we can add Roger as a value. Now we just modify our query to filter based on the search value. So we'll just add a where clause, where first name is like the value of our text input. Now, like all components, the text input has a value property, so we'll just use that. Preview, save. Cool, all looks great so far. Now,
okay, it's slow code because as you see, but these scripts you can create in GPT-3.
because everything inside of these double curly braces in Retool evaluates JavaScript, we can also add some nice wildcards in here to improve the search experience. Nice. Okay, so now that we know what we're looking at, let's just add a title. Text inputs can render as Markdown or HTML, so we can add some basic formatting pretty quickly. Cool. Now we're ready to fetch the customer orders. So let's add another query. And we can just do something simple like select star from orders, where user ID equals, okay, so the text input had a value property, but tables.
By the way, we have a tool which we discovered with the SQL. Where is it? No, this one. Yeah. I can use SQL, make SQL requests, and use it in this tool for build. Where is it? Sorry. Yeah, and use this tool for build the front end.
Have a selected row property. So we can use that in our query here. Table1.selectedrow.data.id, and let's just order by ID. Okay, nice. So we can just drag on another table and voila, here are Roger's orders. So let's add another title here so we know whose orders they are. Just add a text component, and we're also using the selected row property of table 1 here. So now that we can see these are Roger's orders, let's mark them as gifts. So we already set up an API endpoint for this. So we just need to create a API request. We'll do a put request actually. Hit the orders endpoint and pass in the order ID. So in this case, it's table2.selectedrow.data.id. Then we scroll down to the body. We'll set gift to true. That will mark as a gift. And then scrolling down a little further, we want to refresh the data in the table after this query runs. So we can add query 2 here to rerun after query 3 runs successfully. Now, we want to use a button to trigger this query, so let's drag another button on the canvas. We'll give it the text mark as gift, and we'll have it run query 3 on click. Okay, we're almost done. So now we just want our end users to be able to export data for analysis. So we can add another button. Let's color this one gray. We can call it export to CSV, and instead of running a query, we want to export data. So we just use query2.data and give it the file name of user data. Cool. Now that our app is complete, let's go ahead and enter end user mode. This will let us test out and see what the experience will be like for our end users. They can search, they can mark orders as gifts, they can export the data. This is the page that our operations or support team will use when they need to do their work for their job. So if we just want to head back to the home page, we can see all of our other apps, as well as manage other features like S.
Okay. So you got it, yep. So it's the app for panels. Let's explore the. Oh, they have mobile too. Oh, cool. But I can understand how they build in mobile, but okay, it can work mobile. Production grade apps, every work gets done. I don't believe that. Inventory management, expectation tools, field sales. So I like this tool because it focused on the business solutions, and we can use some ideas for good no-code segments where you can sell our development services. Okay, let's explore another product. Database, power your apps. Okay, it's looks like Airtable. Build apps now out of the box Postgre database. Okay, it will help to work with databases. So the thing is, the good thing, a good solution for people who have big, huge database, and you can on the front end see all fields. Because on the, for example, SQL Postgrid, you can just go on this database and see it as a table. So it's good for guys who want to work with data. And by the way, we have this amazing tool for SQL requests. And if you don't know SQL, you can easy to create your right SQL request. Sorry, SQL request which you need. Okay, so I think it will be the last tool. Let's make sure about all tasks. All cases where you can use this tool. Develop tools with ready-made templates. I don't know. Okay, ready-made templates. So okay, it's very good. Yes, about what I talked about. So As you see, PostgreSQL admin panel. So like front end for SQL, PostgreSQL. MongoDB, I think it's like about databases too. Admin panel, customer CRM, Stripe Refound tool, charts, REST API admin panel, Slack notifier, GitHub. Okay, this is like internal inventory management for internal tools, not for interactive map in USA. What? It's very interesting. Yeah, it's cool. So they have, as you see, as I already mentioned, they have many objects, and also they have signature objects. They have time, month, and even maps. And here we have in database, like database with places, and we can see. Let's preview. Let's look. We'll take a look on that. You can use for mobile too. So I made a mistake. So it works for mobile as well. Select a point to see more information about the capital. Okay, it's like information about capitals in the US. Good, it's pretty simple, but you know, you can compare it from this app with maps. It's much better. This app much better, but this we just need data. And for example, I don't know if it's allowed to. They allow to make a code and put it on the website like a frame. But if yes, it will be very good, because for example, if you will need show some information on the map on your website, it will be good decision to just download data here. Oh, cool! You can zoom it. So if you have some information about data about cities, you can just download it here from database. Create the database and put information here. But I don't so like that they don't have Airtable. Maybe they have, but okay. So I think this app need to learn more. So I will definitely recommend you to see the sorry, it's like 4 a.m. now in my place in Bangkok. So see their functions of this app and try to build something. As we tested, so I'm not sure how simple it will be created, because you know the main question I have now, for example, how it will look like if I will change the size of the window, like what's about responsiveness, because in most of the tools they have problems with that. Okay, so and I have so it's pretty simple for positioning objects. They will like it. So, but here we have I think, yeah, we don't need create the shapes and columns and rows, so we just put the objects here. Okay, so I think we don't have a time now for this tool, but Okay, I will send you a link for this tool in the chat, retool. So I will definitely test it by myself, and on the next stream I will show you some examples what I built and what I, because now I understand that I can't just very fast understand all details. So I'll send this tool link to this tool to the chat. Okay, so for now we explored one tool, this retool. We explored this no-code tool with the map creation, and we explored tool with where you can create your models, your AI models. So we will continue this. I will prepare to the next stream, and we'll not explore tools which don't have trials or which are not so good. So sorry that I haven't prepared it, but it's my first time. The next time I will prepare very good no-code tools and explore in which segments, purposes, which business tasks you need use the particular tools. So, and yeah, this website, I think this tool I didn't send in our chat. So yeah, I think we are finishing now. If you have a question, you have a last chance to ask the question. So by the way, I forgot about one important thing. Yeah, I need to advertise my channels. So it's like website of our agency. You can see our projects, and by the way, it's like the app which I created by myself. This cafes app with cafes for work, and maybe in your city where you're from, there are some good places. I'm not promise you, but maybe we have some. So you the idea is that you register. You just go with Google, and then you will see places, cafes for work. It's just pretty simple. It's places for, yeah, it's just app with places with benchmarks for work. But there are many places with good food and with good work conditions, like this one. Like I now sitting in the cafe, 24 hours cafe, and it's not so loud here. It's not internet here. We don't have internet, but we have many plugs here. It's very good. So let's choose where I am now. For example, Bangkok. Where is it? It's Bangkok. I don't know why I don't have Bangkok here. Okay, but let's try Phuket. And I just now the places in the Phuket will be shown. and we have places, as you see, the Phuket, and you can tap on the place and see the photos. That's what I was talking about. So sorry, I need to close these windows. Yeah. So this is what I talked about. I need make a API integration with Google Maps for have photos of each place and download it from the maps, because now you need to download your own photos and it can be not so good idea for for your situation. Sorry, my English is too bad when I want to sleep. So I mean, you could just want to set the work conditions here, and you don't want to maybe download photos, and it will be automatically download from Google Maps. So, and you have photos of food and drink, you have work conditions, and that's all. So, and we also have the flow of adding new cafes. Let's explore this one. So it's just you can check if there is the sockets plugs, if there is good Zoom connection, internet connection, how about seats, and that's all. So yeah, we have you can download an app store. I will send you the link in the chat. One moment. Cafes for work. Okay, so and yeah, we have a website of our agency. You can see statistic of this stream. So it's so amazing for me, because I hope that I will be alone here. Because I'm I think it's looks like not very good, all this stream, but yeah, but we have first half of the hour more than 10 people in one time, like they all saw the stream, and so amazing. Okay, so I sent the links to the chats of the cafe and of our agency. Yeah, I think your last question I can answer on the question. Answer on the question if you have some now. I also want to share you a sponsor of this stream, this my community, which I founded 1 month ago, No-Code Guys. So now we just on this the waiting mode, and we have just grow up in Telegram and in Discord. So and we have some No-Code Guys there, but I want to grow it very fast and grow it in the huge and the number one no-code community in the world, and that's why definitely will be helpful for you. Just go to this community and register in this community. So just join the chats, because we for you as if you no-code developer, or your agency, or you company which want to create the services, we in some days, in some weeks, we will create like the first version of marketplace, where we'll just show the list of the small orders. It will be small, so like small budget of orders, and you can choose there and contact the guys who placed these orders. And on the other hand, you can place that with your cases and list it on this platform, and and receive orders from the agencies and companies. So no-code guys community. Yeah, we have the last thing. We have 4 now. Thank you for your comment. So the last thing about this community. So I have an idea, like more huge than I described. I want to build no-code hub. So no-code hub, it will be. I want to call it no-code city. So in this hub. So ideally the mission is that create the ideal environment for all people from no-code field. So it's like developers, junior developers, senior developers, for agencies, no-code agencies, for companies who order no-code products, and also for no-code tools. So what do I mean? So for no-code developers, it will be community where like juniors developers can come, take all like much free information about the tools, with which tools they need to start. It's better to start. Sorry. They will have tutorials of the main tools, no-code tools, and it will be a lot of free materials for people who start. For middle and senior no-code developers, it will be a forum like Stack Overflow, where they can ask questions and share their results. So the results of solving problems in different tools. So we have developers, junior developers, we have senior developers. We'll have of course like different chats where they can always communicate and discuss different topics. And the core of the product will be matching all the segments in no-code. So junior developers can find first work on this platform. Senior and middle developers can find good customers or agencies for work. Agencies can find developers, and the idea is we won't charge commission like Upwork as much as Upwork. So it will be only commission for insurance deals. I mean that if you want to make sure that your, for example, as developer, your customer will pay for you, you will you will make this payment through this community, through this through this marketplace, and you will make sure that it's safe. Okay, but okay, what we have? We have for juniors developers the best. We will have the best area for learning. We will have boot camps for junior developers and middle developers. We will have for senior developers community like Stack Overflow, where they can share their ideas and ask questions, answer questions. And like in Stack, so just think about that. In code we have the thing like Stack Overflow. Why we don't have it no code? Yes, okay, we have Telegram chats. We have Telegram groups. We have what else we have? We have Bubble forum. But okay, what if I use no-name no-code tool? Where I should go? Where? No way. So, and that's why I want to consolidate all no-code tools in one platform, all no-code developers, and they will help to each other. And moreover, I will place all no-code tools and I want to negotiate with the founders of no-code tools for give the guys from the team to help with the problems if you will have problems with no-code tool. And it's very good for no-name no-code tools, because no-name no-code tools, they are ready to give you help. They are ready to give you like time of their employees to help you do something in their no-code tool. What do I mean? So if I'm on the founder of the new no-code tool, I need to engage new no-code developers. I need to make I need to many no-code developers who always do something on my platform. I need to good retention of these no-code developers who not just like me go to the platform, see pluses and minuses and go away. So they need developers who will always work with the platform. And the best way for hold this retention, give the help for developers. And we will have for each no-code tool, we will publish no-code tool only if they give help to developers who will explore no-code tools. Because if this no-code tool, if I like this idea, if I like functionality of no-code tool, I definitely will face with the problems. And if nobody in this no-code tool won't help me, it will be like wasted time. So I want like match no-code tools, no-code founders, founders of no-code tools, and developers who just start explore new no-code tools. What else it will be? And also it will be a list of all no-code tools. You have seen this list of no-code tools, which I showed today. But it's not. I don't understand, for example, which no-code tool I need to use for each case, and it will be their place where I can come and I have, for example, I have the idea. I want to make startup with cafes for work, and I don't know which no-code tools I can use. I go to this platform and I make the answer on this question. So which will be more, which platform will be better for this particular case. So it will. I have many ideas about no-code hub and no-code all this community, and but for now I have this chat in Telegram and no-code community, and for now you can join Telegram. Okay, so that's all for today. Please subscribe the channel, and I will send new update in my blog, my Russian blog. By the way, my Russian blog is fail blog, where I publish my way, my path in no-code and no-code agency. Also, I will publish all announces of the channel. So subscribe please in Telegram on the fail blog, and on this blog and in LinkedIn I will publish the next stream. It will be probably next Thursday or Friday. This stream I will prepare better, and I will come with already tested no-code tools, and I just will explain how it works, and we will test it also like the same together, but I will filter these no-code tools for good ones and bad ones. And also in the next stream maybe I will invite founder of no-code tool, and the first part of the stream we will chat with the no-code founder. It will be Russian founder, founder of no-code tool, but I have some good founders which can share the path of creation no-code tool and problem that they faced with, and they definitely will have some promo codes for you for if you will use their no-code tool. So I think it will be very exciting and interesting. Not boring like today, not as boring, because today it was first time. Okay, and great idea. Thank you for great idea. Better by Friday for the time difference, so sweet sleep on Saturday. Okay, so it will be definitely at Friday, maybe on Thursday, but I will notify you tomorrow. Okay, so thank you for this stream, and thank you for your coming. I hope you like that, and have a great no-code week. Thank you guys. See you next stream, and in a couple of days I will publish my first developed no-code startup built with AI, and I will create it for, as I said, in 3 hours. I will make a screencast. Maybe I will make a stream too. It will be better. I will make a stream how I create the AI startup with Bubble and AI model built with also in no-code tool, and it will be finished in 3 hours. So let's try how it will be. I will announce in my channels. Yeah, thanks for inspiration. Thank you for coming and for watching this stream. So it's my first time. It's very yeah, I'm very happy with that. Thank you guys, and have a nice no code week.
Oh.